In this video, how to use TradingView in mobile. I will show you step by step how to use TradingView on mobile to analyze charts. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you use Android, open the Google Play Store. If you use iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type TradingView. Find the official TradingView app and tap Install. After the app is installed, open TradingView on your phone. Now, log in to your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, tap Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you will see the main app screen. Now, tap the Chart or Charts option. A financial asset chart will appear on the screen. To search for an asset, tap the search bar. Type the asset name such as BTC, Euro USD, or AAPL. Select the asset you want to open the chart. You can change the chart time frame by tapping the time frame option. Choose options such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 1 hour. To add indicators, tap the Indicators button. Choose an indicator such as RSI or moving average. The indicator will be added automatically to the chart. You can also use drawing tools. Tap the tools icon to draw lines on the chart. Use trend lines to mark price movements. You can save your chart layout if needed. Tap Save to keep your settings. TradingView Mobile allows you to follow the market anywhere. This way, you can analyze charts directly on your smartphone.